evening, everybody. Today, after a long time, we are going to discuss about the topics in 10th standard. First of all, I am going to explain about the modern periodic table. Modern periodic table, how they were constructed and how they explained about the table and how they arrange the elements in the periodic table. Now we will discuss. So, it is a topic in 10th standard. So, everybody keep quiet and listen. Modern periodic table. Modern periodic table. First of all, from the chapter, if they ask any questions from the chapter, we should know about the table construction first. After getting the table only, we can able to answer the questions for that exam. So here, how we are going to write, how we are going to draw the periodic table, and how we have to arrange the elements in the table, and like that we have to discuss. So if from this any questions if they ask, we should know the construction of table and the arrangement of elements. So first of all, I'm going to draw the periodic table diagram. First of all, we have to follow some points. Okay, we have to follow some steps, then only we can able to write the periodic table. First of all, draw the 18 boxes in 4 columns. 18 boxes in 4 columns like this. Eighteen. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Like that, 4 columns we have to draw. One column completed. The second column. 2, 3, and 4. Like this, we have to draw the 18 boxes in 4 columns. It is a step 1. Next, step 2. Step 2 is that choose 6 boxes from the right side, right corner, in 2 columns. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 boxes in 2 columns. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It is a step 2. Now step 3 is choose the 2 boxes in 2 columns from left side like this. 2 columns, 2 boxes. So this is a step 3. Next, step 4 is draw the one box right side corner and draw the one more box left side corner. This is the left side corner of one box and right side corner of one more box. And this is a main part of table. Now, bottom of the table we have the lanthanides and actinides that we have to draw 2 columns with 14 boxes. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. This is the modern periodic table construction. If any question if they ask from this chapter, we should know at least how to draw the table and how to arrange the elements up to zinc enough. From hydrogen to zinc, it is enough to arrange the elements in this table. First of all, write the elements from hydrogen. Hydrogen, your helium, lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, neon, sodium, magnesium, aluminum, silicon, phosphorus, sulfur, chlorine, argon, potassium, calcium, scandium, titanium, vanadium, chromium, manganese, iron, cobalt, nickel, copper, zinc, gallium, germanium, arsenic, selenium, bromine, krypton. That no need, up to 30 elements are enough to get the main concepts and try to the answer for the given questions from your standard. Okay, now in this model